Well, this is what bull markets look like, guys. A wall of worry and yet higher, higher, higher. The projected price move for the SPYs that you're looking at here was 695. We're getting close, or within 10 points of the projected price move. Then we would expect it to probably set up and go again. Same thing with the QQQs. QQQ's projected price move was 644. We broke out on volume, increased volume from yesterday. Same thing with the SPYs, onto its projected price target of around the 644 area. Could something come out of nowhere? Sure. Something come out of left field? Absolutely. But, whether it's the China news or the Fed this week or all the earnings that are coming out, Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, etc., the belief is that they'll substantiate this move, and I think they will as well. One of the leaders will probably be Apple. Apple broke out and is still en route to its projected price target of 305. So you can hold this. This continues. There's a long way to go for Apple. Probably has the most likely, the highest probability chance to surprise, even though we don't go on guessing or anything like that. And oftentimes we don't hold anything into earnings. So that's not a big deal anyway. AMD continues higher. Projected price move for AMD continues to be 294. Don't believe me. Just follow the price action when it comes to breakouts on volume. These things like volume right here are like flashing red lights. Tells you that the buyers are in there, and then from there you calculate where the projected price move is. Same thing with Tesla. Tesla's just kind of basing certainly higher. You can see that we've had an increase in volume here the last couple of days, 2 out of the last 3. We're going after this high right here, and this is not the all-time high, by the way. You'd have to go back to the weekly. There's the all-time high over here. 488 was the all-time high, but takes out this high right here. Ignore this, was for another video, but takes out this high right here, and we're headed to 565. So a lot more room to go there. Otherwise, Nvidia hanging out on volume. Looks like no volume because we're looking at the weekly, but we've got buyers in there. Wants to go back up and retest the highs. Projected price proven for Nvidia is 224. Lam Research broke out. We were talking about this one. 191 is a projected price move here. And on it goes. CrowdStrike, again, hanging out. I can't remember what the projected price move is for CrowdStrike, but it is a confirmed breakout as well, ever since it took out this swing point on volume. So stick to the winners. You see a lot of penny stocks, meaning, they're not penny stocks per se, but cheap stocks like Beyond Meat and everything else. Who cares about that crap? Focus on the leaders. The leaders is where the big money is, and swing trading is where the big money is. People can make money day trading, doing all kinds of things, but if you want to make the big money, you can do that with simple third grade math and swing trading. So hope this helps, and have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.